Let me start with design mixed concrete. Finding out the proportion of cement, aggregate and water to attain the required strength can be decided by designing the concrete mix, and such concrete is called design mixed concrete. An engineer in structural design will tell you what grade concrete is required for a particular member. You will be asked to have grade M25, M30, M35, M40 or up to M60. What you have been asked is to have mixed design to have a compressive strength of concrete 25 Newton per mm square or up to 60 Newton per mm square. For important and heavily reinforced structures, structural engineer will prefer to have grade M50 or M60. Now let me talk about nominal mixed concrete. As known to you, nominal mixed concrete is mix based on volume of cement with a particular ratio in volumes of fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. Here we will require a measuring box of 0.035 cubic meter capacity, that is 1.25 CFT capacity, which is volume of one bag cement. Generally, the size of box will be 25 into 40 into 35 centimeter. This volume corresponds to one bag of cement, say 1 unit. The different proportions in nominal mix for RCC, its respective compressive strength in 28 days and the theoretical requirement of cement per cubic meter of concrete is given in this table below. The nominal mix proportion on volume basis 1:1:2. The compressive strength expected is 31.5 Newton per mm square, that is 350 kg per square centimeter, for which theoretical requirement of cement per cubic meter of concrete in kg is 610. In the same way, nominal mix 1:1.5:3 will require 400 kg of cement for getting 26.5 Newton per mm square. Now, if you go for the richest proportion of concrete in nominal mix, that is 1:1:2, you will be expecting a compressive strength little above 30 Newton per mm square after consuming cement 610 kg. Whereas in design mixed concrete, we will not require more than 350 kg cement for getting the same strength as that of 1:1:2 of nominal mix in the case of mixed design M30. Moreover, irrespective of the grade of concrete, even for M60, Cement content per cubic meter of concrete shall not be more than 500 kg. See, here is the art of mixed design. The proportion and grading of aggregates and water will play the role for attaining the required compressive strength in the case of design mixed concrete. Admixture of approved quality will control the water cement ratio and to have adequate slump and maintain the slump during the pumping and till the end of finishing. In the next session, we will discuss about trial mixes.